Ever wondered how drones, helicopters, and RC planes work? Well, you're in the right place. In the next 7 minutes, we'll delve into the fascinating world of these flying machines, breaking down their design, operation, and applications. First off, drones. These come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from small and lightweight to the larger, more complex structures. Depending on their intended use, drones can either have fixed wings or be multi-rotor, like quadcopters. Some drones are equipped with gimbal-mounted cameras for aerial photography, while others carry payloads for agricultural use. Drones can either fly pre-programmed routes autonomously or be controlled remotely by a human operator. They are used across industries, from aerial photography and surveillance to agriculture and package delivery. Next, we have helicopters. Unlike drones, helicopters possess a single main rotor and a smaller tail rotor or anti-torque rotor, enabling them to take off, land vertically, and hover in place. Helicopters can have different configurations, including single-engine, twin-engine, and multi-engine, with the design contingent on its intended use. Helicopters are generally piloted by a human operator and can perform a wide range of tasks, such as transportation, search and rescue, firefighting, and law enforcement. They are also utilized in various industries for transporting personnel and equipment to remote locations. Finally, let's talk about RC planes, or remote-controlled planes. These are small-scale replicas of full-size aircraft and can either have fixed wings or be gliders. RC planes can perform an array of maneuvers, from loops and rolls to spins, controlled remotely by a human operator. Primarily used for recreation and hobby purposes, RC planes can also be used for aerial photography and videography. So there you have it. Drones, helicopters, and RC planes, each with its unique design, operation, and application. From hobbyist pursuits to industrial uses, these flying machines have revolutionized the way we work, play, and explore our world. It's a fascinating field that continues to evolve, shaping the future of aviation and beyond. Stay curious and keep exploring.